welcome to my YouTube channel Granny's Talk Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare crab and prawns steamed dish also known as kurli and sungta in Goa. So hit the bell icon and let's get started. Now take a vessel, add some oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 small piece of smashed ginger, 7 to 8 pieces of smashed garlic, add 15 to 17 pieces of cucumber, add 7 to 8 pieces of Kashmiri chili, add 2 pieces green chili. Now stir it well, let it get fried for at least 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar. Stir it well. Now let's add star of our dish, crab. Add some curry leaves. Add some water. Now let's add prawns to make it more interesting. Cover the lid, let it get steamed for around 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Now add some onions. Now turn the crab upside down so that it gets cooked properly. Cover the lid, let it get steamed for more 5 to 6 minutes. Open the lid, add some tomato ketchup so that it gets some tangy flavor. If you like to have tangy, you can add some tomato ketchup. Otherwise it's okay because we have already added cucumber. And now cover the lid, let it steam for more 2 minutes. And now our dish is ready, crab and prawn steamed dish, also called as kurli and sungta. I hope so you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Try this dish and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.